Hello everyone. This video will present the process of virtual machine file level recovery. Before starting the recovery, we need some preparation on the backup server. You can request the detailed steps from support team. After completing the preparation, we can access the web console, backup and restore, and backup set manage. Defaultly, the mount status is unmounted, and now we have to click the mount button and mount the data point to our backup server. After mounting that, the status will be shown like mounted here. Now we can create the restore job based on this data point. We can click the restore and select the file level restore. Totally 5 steps here. Step 1. Input the job name and select the job tab. Step 2. The mounted data points will be listed and we can select them to restore. Step 3. The file system of the data point will be listed in left menu. We can choose which directory of files to be restored and where to restore to. Step 4. We can enable the compression and encryption in the transmission. Last step, confirm the configuration and submit. It will start automatically after creation. Here we just transferred several text fields, so very fast it will be. Now we can access the command line interface and check the restored file status. As the job configured, the original directory structure is returned and it is able to read and write. The content also same with the original files. This is the process of virtual machine file level restore. Thanks for your watching.